You have seen influencers who make money online through social media. There are video bloggers who earn thousands because of their visual video content that they have uploaded in the biggest video sharing website, YouTube. Yes, they are able to monetize their videos, and although making a video is hard work, Mike Williams' YouTube Secrets will show you how to earn without even filming your own video. What is YouTube Secrets? YouTube Secrets is a digital step-by-step course that teaches you how to make money with the most popular video sharing website, YouTube, where users can watch, share, like, comment and upload their own videos. You have seen people earn from their videos, so if you want to make money with YouTube but do not know how, YouTube Secrets is for you. According to the creator of the course, there is a right recipe or formula to be successful with this opportunity. Even if you do not know how to create and film viral videos, you can still earn, and this course will teach you how. Who is the creator of YouTube Secrets? YouTube Secrets is created by the internet and YouTube guru, Mike Williams. Mike has discovered making money in YouTube without the hard work, with no technical knowledge required and zero filming needed. He claims he has earned over $10,000 a month with just a few minutes of work per week. And he's sharing the secret in this program. How to use YouTube Secrets. Since this is a step-by-step course, after paying for the course, you will be granted full and instant access to the members area. Check your email for your login details. Once logged in, the training materials and special tools are made available for you. The training includes teaching you to make money without shooting any videos, using YouTube's millions of videos that are copyright-free and make money from them. You can take a video, cut a segment out, repurpose it and upload it in your own channel. You can also make your own videos, since you will also be taught how to get views without resorting to schemes that may get you banned. This way, with more views you can monetize your channel. You will have access to a total of 30 videos containing step-by-step tutorials. Topics include setting up your YouTube channel, video editing, how to write descriptions using profitable keywords, what to do to get more views, working with statistics and connecting and messaging your subscribers. Plus, there are valuable tools and tips to advance your money-making potential. Advantages: 1. It is a step-by-step blueprint of making passive income through the largest video sharing website, YouTube. 2. According to Mike Williams, it doesn't take much of your time, just 30 minutes each week, and you can start making money. 3. Aside from the course, there are tips and tools provided plus a one-on-one coaching. 4. Relevant content about creating your YouTube channel, promoting, getting views and subscribers. 5. It does not have location restrictions, it works no matter where you live. 6. You will gain unlimited email support and free lifetime updates. 7. Positive reviews from various users. 8. There is a full 7-day trial for just $1. 9. The creator is so confident with his product that he promises to refund your money. It is either you make money with YouTube or you are secured with the full 60 days money-back guarantee, no questions asked. Disadvantages: 1. The existence of recurring fee because of the monthly subscription. 2. Needs constant reliable internet connection. 3. The unrealistic claim of instant results from just a 30-minute work. Recommendation: YouTube Secrets is your blueprint to success for earning money through YouTube, the largest video sharing website. Making your own YouTube channel is good, what is better is also earning from it even if you do not have your own video content. YouTube Secrets will teach you how to make money through YouTube. It shares the secret to earning without too much hard work. Whether you are creative and willing to film your own videos, or you repurpose other videos, you can still earn with the program's tips and tools. Of course, this takes effort to succeed, and the training course makes it easier, providing you with the guidance you need to succeed even without technical knowledge or filming expertise. If you are serious about maximizing your YouTube channel's earning potential, then let YouTube Secrets help you.